Hello, everyone. This is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today, we're going to talk about which states do not check your credit score. Will allow insurance companies, I should say, to check your credit score to get insurance with them or to determine rates or anything like that. So let's go straight into it. All right. For those of you who don't know, when you're getting an insurance quote, whether that's for homeowners insurance, auto loan policies, things of that sort, you're going to get a credit check, right? And they not just only check your credit, they're going to also look at your driving record, obviously, and other factors as it like, if you're getting, homeowners insurance policy. So it's standard, right? Because they need to know what type of person that they're dealing with. And unfortunately, your credit score plays a major role in that. But there are some states that don't allow it. All right. So now what states are those? That's California. That's Hawaii. That's Massachusetts. That's Michigan. And of course, now Washington, not DC, but Washington just recently started that whole entire process. OK, so now that's just a temporary, situation with Washington. So we don't know if they're just kind of beta testing in a sense, but they essentially don't. Those states do not allow credit checks. It's illegal for them to check your credit in order to go into, an insurance policy. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that, obviously, if you live in different states, what are your options? And you still don't want your credit checked, right? So what you could do is what they call looking for a company that has what they call telematics insurance. Now, telematics is essentially where they go basically pretty much how you actually drive. Now, this is as it pertains to an auto insurance policy, but they mainly look at, what type of driver are you? OK, and they usually put a device, underneath the car in a situation where they, can kind of see, obviously the speed, how you're stopping, slowing down. I don't know what all this thing tells them, but those are obviously the basics, right? So that said, they're going to go in now. The companies that do that, they're going to be Progressive, and that's what they call Progressive Snapshot, State Farm. Of course, you have the Drive Safe and Save. You have the Farmers Insurance. It's called Farmers Signal. You have Geico. It's called Geico Drive Easy. And then you have Allstate, which is Allstate Drive Wise. Okay. And now that those options are available, not just for if you're, not looking to have them, run your credit. OK, so if you're trying to avoid them running your credit, that's going to be an option for you. But at the same time, if you're looking to save on auto insurance mainly for that reason, then obviously they can go ahead and track that. As long as you don't have a problem with them tracking certain things like, your driving habits, your average speed, how fast you're braking, things of that. So like, are you taking care of the car? Not just maintenance and stuff, but like, how are you driving this thing hard? Like a Jimmy John's driver or something, but that plays a role because that's the whole point. They want to make sure that, hey, scores in this range. I don't know how they're able to keep up. I mean, how this makes sense, because I've seen people with good credit drive like trash. OK, so but I guess they're trying to develop who the character is. Right. I don't know why they look at credit to be honest with you, because again, like I just mentioned, we all got friends. They make a certain amount of money. They got a certain type of credit score. And let's be honest, everyone doesn't have bad credit forever, right? So at some point in their life, but that don't mean that they are a good driver or a great driver. But as long as they pay their auto insurance policy on time, isn't that all that matters, right? But either way, wanted to make sure you guys got that information. This was new to me. I knew about the telematics situation, but I didn't know that there were states that essentially banned, that it's against the law and that for you to check someone's credit score in order to give an auto insurance policy. So that's insane. All right. So either way, if you like this video, like it, you want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as we have nothing but great content on the way. Thank you all so much. Have a great day.